We'll continue with AP series again. See the next question. That is, how many terms are there in the series? How many terms are there in the series? 3, 6, 9, 12, 111. Okay, so like this 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. How many terms are there? It is shown here. This is our last term, this is your first term. Means A equals to 3. Then what is D? D is the difference. Difference means 6 minus 3, that is 3. Okay, what about this one? This is your last term. Last term is called AN. AN is 111. Okay. So what is the formula of AN? A plus n minus 1 into D equals to 111, because formula of AN is this. Let's put the value of A. A is 3 plus n minus 1 into D. D is also 3 equals to 111. This plus 3, so this 3 will go that side. That will be n minus 1 into 3 equals to 111 minus 3. That is 108. Look, plus inverse you have subtracted. Multiplication you have to divide. Implies minus 1 equals to 108 by 3. No need to put bracket now. 3 3 are 9, 3 6 36. So n equals to 36 plus 1, that is 37. That means there are 37 terms in this series. So you can write one homework on this. 5, 10, 15, 625. Okay, so find out this. This is one pattern of question. See the next one. Next one is find the value of K. Find the value of K. So that this is one important question. Try to remember. 2K plus 1, 2K plus 1, 8, 3K or 8 AP. So terms are AP. How to know? What is the formula? The common difference is same. So we have to write here that 2K plus 1, 8, 3K are in AP. AP means this minus this. That is 8 minus 2K plus 1. Subtraction of these two equals to this minus this should be equal to this minus this. Suppose I take one example. 2, 3, 6, 9, 12. What is 6 minus 3? 3. What is 9 minus 6? 3. That means 6 minus 3, 9 minus 6 both are same. So 8 minus this minus 8 both are same. 3K minus 8. Second term minus first term equals to third term minus second term. So you have to simplify. So open the bracket. 8 minus 2K minus 1. 3K minus 8. 8 minus 1 is 7 minus 2k, 3k minus 8. 7 plus 8 equals to 3k plus 2k. Okay, so what did you get? This is 15 equals to 5k. So k equals to 15 by 5. That is 3. Okay now? So you can try one question on this. That is 3k plus 1. So 3k plus 1, 18, 5k plus 3 are in AP. How to solve? Now this minus this equals to this minus this. Okay? This is second pattern of the question. Homework for you. Next. Suppose find the 8th term of AP of the AP. That is given 1 minus 3 minus 7 like this. So you find out what is the 8th term. Okay, let's find what is A. A equals to 1. What is D? Now this minus this. Minus 3 minus 1. So minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4. What is A8? 8th term. A plus 70. A plus 70 or not? So that will be 1 plus 7 into minus 4. 1 minus 28 minus 27. You can try find the 14th term of AP. This is all for you. Find the 14th term of the AP. 7 2 minus 3 minus 8. 7 2 minus 3 minus 8 like this. You can do it? Okay, next question. Next one is again homework. Which term of AP? Which term of AP minus 1 minus 3 minus 5 151 minus 151. The question is first term is minus 1. Second term, let me solve this. Second term is minus 3. Third term is minus 5. Which term is minus 151? Let nth term is minus 151. So A equals to minus 1, D equals to minus 3 minus 1 minus 3 minus plus 1, that is minus 2. अच्छा, which term? Suppose A term is minus, let n is minus 151. So formula of A plus n minus 1 into d minus 151. So minus 1 plus n minus 1 into d. D is minus 2. Look at the pattern here. Minus 151. Method, what did I tell you? This will go that side. It is plus, so that will go to. So minus term here. Minus will go to that side. Will be plus. So n minus 1 minus 2 minus 151 minus 1 go that side plus 1. Okay, then n minus 1 into minus 2 minus 151 plus 1 minus 150 minus 150. Then n minus 1 equals to minus 150 by minus 2, 75. So what is it? That is 75 plus 1. N is equal to 76. That is a 76 term, or a 76 is minus 151. 76th term. Okay, so you can try 1%. You can write your homework here. Which term of the FP, that is minus 1, that I did, minus 7, minus 4, minus 1, 2, is 101. Which term? Suppose this is n, you would find n from here. Okay. Now another question is the last term from n. Last term from n. Look at here. जैसे कि 2, 4, 3, 6, 2, 4, 6, 8. Suppose 120, 122. If you go from this side, your first term is 2, second is 4, third is 6, this is 8. But if you come from this side, last term from the end, sorry, the term from the end, the term from the end, this will be your first term, this is second term, third term, fourth term, like this. Then what will be its formula? So when you go this way, what is your A? The 2. How you find D? Now second minus first. That is 4 minus 2. Here you have to do ulta. What is A? The last term 122. D when you find, if this is given, then this minus this, ulta karoge. If this is not given, then like 2 minus 4. Ulta. Here is, when you go from this side, that is 4 minus 2. When you go from this side, that will be 2 minus 4. Okay. So what is the formula here? The term, the last term from n. अगर फॉर्मूला आएगा तो this is not given. Find the last term from n in this way. That will be n equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Formula is same, but a will be the last term, d will be the ulta minus. Suppose I take a question here. question will be clear. If you take one pattern on this, that is find the sixth term from the end. Find the sixth term from the end. What is that series given? 17, 14, 11, minus 40. Means from this side you will find of sixth term, means first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, like this. So what is the technique I told you? What will be A here? A will be, when there is a word from A will be the last term, minus 40. How to find B? Now previously what you are doing, second minus first. अब उल्टा 17 minus 40. 17 minus 40, that is minus 30. Okay, A का same formula, A plus n minus 1 into B. So sixth term, A6. A6 means A plus 5D. A plus 5D. So what is A? Minus 40. 5 into 3. So minus 40 plus 15 minus 25. That means if you come this way, sixth term here will be minus 25. Okay, we try one question then. Find the ninth term from the end. So what is the series given? That is 5, 9, 13, 17, 69. Okay. Now the pattern of question changes now. How it will change now? See the other pattern of question. The other pattern is find the common difference of AP. Find the common difference of an AP whose 11th term is 5, whose 11th term is 5 and 30th term is 79. Is 79. Okay, what is the 24th term? Second part. What is the 24th term? Okay. 11th term. 11th means A11 formula will be what? A plus 10D equals to how much? Is 5, means 5. First equation. 13th term. A13, that is A plus 12D equals to how much? 79. Two equations you got. Now you subtract it. This is minus, this is minus, this is minus. This is cancelled. So 10D minus 12D is minus 2D. 79 minus 5 is minus 74. D equals to minus 74 by minus 2. How much? 2 3 is 6, 37. Now once you got D, to find 24, you have to find A. So now put the value of D here. A plus 10D is 5. A plus 10D equals to 5. D में you put 37. D 10 into 37 equals to 5. So what will be 5 minus 370 minus 365. Okay, then A24 formula is A plus 23D. Same means minus 365 plus 23 into 37. So 37 में 23 multiply. This is minus 365 plus 851. So 851 minus 365. 486. Okay. So I can give one question you can solve, that is seventh term of AP is 32. Seventh term of is 32. 33 62. 30th term is 62. Find, question is find AP. This is be different, but he shall give you 2. Means what you have to do here is 7th A7 equals to, what is the formula A7? A plus 60 equals to 32. A13 means A plus 12B 62. You have to solve these two. You have to solve these two to find A and D. So after finding A and D, what you have to do? Find the AP. Find the AP means you have to write A plus B, A plus 2B. At least 3 terms you find. Means find A and D from here, put here. So you will get the series like this. So this is homework for you. Okay. So let's see the next term. I can give one more question answer. That is the 10th term of AP is minus 4 and its 22nd term is minus 16. Find 29th term. Okay, so this we can do. Let's take one more question. Another pattern look at that. There are so many varieties in this sector. Which term of the AP? Which term of the AP, that is 315, 27, 39, which term will be 132 is 132 more than 68th term. The question is asked first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth like this. Which term is 132 more than 68th term? Suppose nth term. Let age is 132 more than A60. Suppose nth star is 132 more than A60. How to write? Now you can write in this way. AN. This is more, this is bigger, means other side you pay 132 plus A60. Because this is more means other one is smaller. So to make it equal, you pay it to the smaller one. Okay, what is its formula? A plus n minus 1 into D 132 plus A plus 59D. पहले तो A you can cancel. So n minus 1 into D 132 plus 59D. Okay, come back to the series now. What is given? What is A? A is 3. What is D? 15 minus 3, that is 12. So D will put 12 now. Now if I put D as 12, and minus 1 into 12, 132 plus 59 into 12. So first you have to multiply these two. Implies n minus 1 into 12, 132 plus 12 में multiply करो 708. So implies n minus 1 into 12 850. So here is multiplied 12. So n minus 1 equals to 840 divided by 12. This is 70. Okay. So n equals to 70 plus 1, that is 71. That means A69, A79. So A71 is 132 more than 68th star. Okay, so you can practice one question here. Which term of the AP minus 8, 3, 14, 25 will be 143 more than 69th term. This is also homework for you. So today this was. The next class we will discuss some more questions.